Whittley Marine is one of the true survivors of the ultra-competitive Aussie trailer boat landscape. And to mark its 65th year of operations, it's just released these two limited edition heritage models, the Fleetmaster 23 and the Fleetmaster 26. We're about to take a sneak peek at each on Melbourne's Port Phillip Bay just ahead of their public debut. So let's jump in and take a closer look. The Fleetmaster is well known in the annals of Whittley history, being one of its most popular cruising models back in the 80s. Now, however, the name has been resurrected in the form of these two limited edition models, which are essentially new base models that stem from the company's higher spec CR2380 and CR2600 cruisers. On display for the first time at the 2018 Melbourne Boat Show, each of these stern drive models is available as a complete boat, motor and trailer package. Both come standard with all the essentials for overnighting, but have attractive starting from pricing, allowing buyers to get on the water and then add all the trimmings in time as funds permit. The Fleetmaster 23 is a soft-top cruiser with an overall length of 7.6 metres and a maximum capacity of 7 people. It has a dry towing weight of approximately 2,650 kilos. Standard power is a 200 horsepower V6 Volvo Penta stern drive, while options extend through to 300 horsepower. Our test boat is fitted with a 240 horsepower engine, so there's no shortage of grunt, while the smooth riding variable dead rise hull slices through a light Port Phillip Bay chop with ease.
Well, the biggest appeal is a package under $100,000, turnkey delivered, overnighting ability with sink, stove and toilet, and easily towable behind a four-wheel drive, and very usable for a single person if need be.
And like the Fleetmaster 26, it comes as a boat, motor, trailer package?
Yes, turnkey, delivered, ready to go.
Great, let's get into it. Those after a little more space and protection might prefer the Fleetmaster 26, with its hardtop format, overall length of 8.5 metres and room for up to 8. Like the 23, it still has a beam of just under 2.5 metres, but it's heavier, with a dry trailer weight of approximately 3,200 kilos. The galley and sizeable V berth are complemented by a rear lounge that converts to yet another berth, while, as with the Fleetmaster 23, there's a long list of standard inclusions and factory options. As with the 23, the Fleetmaster 26 also comes standard with a 200 horsepower V6 Volvo Penta, but once again our test boat sported the 240 horsepower upgrade. We're here with Andrew from Victorian Boatsales. Now, Victorian Boatsales' latest appointment to Whittley Marine's national dealer network. Andrew, tell us a little bit about the Fleetmaster 26 and the appeal you think it's going to hold for people in the Aussie market.
I think the 26 is going to be a fantastic boat. It's a new release celebrating Whittley's 65th birthday. It's a family cruiser at 26 foot, which gives you the amenities of stoves, sinks, toilets, overnighting, full family, and coming in at under $150,000, which is extraordinary.
We've heard all about it. Let's get it out in the bay and see how she performs.
Sounds like an idea.
The Fleetmaster 26 is a bigger boat, and on the water it feels it, although the deck feels narrower than the 23 because of the 26's full walk-around cabin. But the living quarters are roomy and well equipped, with a separate toilet and shower and comprehensive galley, and the aft L-shaped lounge is a great place to enjoy the ride even in cold weather, being well protected by the hardtop. After a day on the water, even on chilly Port Phillip Bay in the middle of winter, I have to say it'd be impossible not to enjoy yourself aboard either of these two limited edition Whittleys. Together they serve as a showcase for the experience gleaned over 65 years of boat building, and they're a fitting tribute to the local powerhouse that is Whittley Marine.